Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to set up wake up free assistant commands. In the beginning, let's go to BYD Assistant and select wake up free. Find command you are interested in and now enable it. Thanks to this function, you can use commands without activating voice assistant. Now when the home commands are enabled, you can for example say rotate screen,
Okay, rotating the screen.
and that's it. Rotate screen.
Okay, rotating the screen.
If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.